Welcome to my channel. This channel is now the House of Langford channel. I also have a Facebook page and a group that links to it, but I'm going to try and post some videos on here. I wanted to do it in January, but then didn't really know what to do, and then when I filmed a video it was like 40 minutes long and I couldn't edit it, so we're going to try and do something different. So all the kids go back to school in September. I don't yet have a position in a school from September, so I thought, what am I going to do to pass the time a little bit? And it got me thinking. So sometimes I go out and buy, I like stationery, so I buy a lot of stationery. That's what teachers like to do. So I figured I am going to do some quick little videos on YouTube that will involve product reviews, because I buy a lot of things on Etsy and I like to support small businesses. I've got quite a few friends that way, so it'd be nice to show some support for them. Maybe even do some unboxing as well. I've got a couple of parcels here ready to be unboxed and opened and reviewed to the world, so maybe they'll be the first ones to pop up. Maybe some whips, some of my works in progress. I do a lot of crochet, knitting, sewing and dressmaking, so maybe we'll put some of those up as well for you. And while we're at it, maybe even my son will join in because he's 14, drives me nuts, and he's standing there shaking his head at me. Maybe some things like our Pokemon Go stuff and all that, because we're a little bit geeky. Maybe even throw in some paper craft and stuff as well. Don't really tend to do a lot of it, but it might be something out of it, so we'll see how well that goes. And then I'm also looking at doing some top tips, some how-tos, and maybe even like now some general waffling. So hopefully you'll be able to see some of that coming up in the next few months or so, and we'll see how far we get and how many videos I tend to put out. So I'm hoping to do maybe one a week, or if that fails then one a month. So we'll see. And remember to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.